Our next winner, congratulations to the folks of SanDisk Professional for their SanDisk Pro Blade enhanced storage devices, the G-Drive Project, and the G-RAID mirror. Now, I've been a big fan of these workflows. You've seen us do several shows before on the blades. They're the little cartridges that can plug into a reader. What I love about these drives is they come with the reader, the blade reader built into it. The G-RAID mirror is the next generation of a 2-drive storage. We call it the mirror because now you can have 2 drives that can be 12 or 18 gigabytes each mirrored so that you have redundancy, so that you can save your files for when you're archiving as part of your workflows, and you can read directly from the blades to go into them. The project is good for just moving one project from one place to the other. We really love these workflows. We've got some great specials going where you pick your project or your mirror, you add some blades, and then you get a free transport. Love, love, love the Pro Blade workflows and the G-Drive Project and the G-RAID mirror. Congratulations to the folks at SanDisk Pro for their G-Drive Project and G-RAID mirror. Videoguys, top products of 2023. Good job, SanDisk.